Today's recipe is totally different than usual. This is Aserio Halon seed ladoos, which is also called Halim in Hindi and Halim in Marathi. And I love these ladoos. So very easy to make and a very tasty recipe. So these ladoos are very nutritious as Halim seeds have a great amount of protein, vitamin C, folic acid, iron, vitamin A and so on. So especially with the jaggery, coconut and Halim seeds, it's a great combination, and these ladoos are really soft to eat and very nutritious. So let's start with the recipe. Let's start with Halim Ladoo recipe. Halim Ladoo is made of Halon seeds and in Marathi it's called Halim. So this is very healthy, eaten in the winter season. So let's start with this recipe. Half cup of Halim, which is Halon seed, 1 cup of jaggery, 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, 1.5 cups of water. I have taken water here, but you can have coconut water if you have that. Some cashew nuts roughly chopped for garnishing, cardamom powder 1 tablespoon and half tablespoon of pure ghee. First step is get the Halon seed in 1.5 cups of water. Let it soak for about 10-15 minutes. Mix them up, just like chia seeds. Okay, let's add half a tablespoon of ghee, and as you can see, the Halim is soaked really well within 10 minutes. Let's add jaggery, shredded coconut, and this mixture. To let the jaggery melt in this mixture. Let's add some cashew nuts and cardamom powder. Mix this well. Alright, so in about 10 minutes my mixture is ready. So if you want, add some jaggery or cardamom powder if you like to add it more. So let it cool off now for about 20-25 minutes and we will start making the ladoos. Okay, so my mixture is all normal temperature now. Add some oil on your palm and start making ladoos. So I prefer to make like this size, small size ladoos. Just they look cute, delicious taste, especially in winter, or it has a very high content of folic acid, vitamin C and a lot of other nutrients. So this is considered very, very healthy. So this is the ladoo. I'll show you close up, just like so. If you want, you can add some nutmeg powder if you like nutmeg taste. So it's always beautiful to have cardamom and nutmeg powder. So just press gently and form a round shape, and it's not going to stick to your hand because you have ghee on your palm. Here you go. So let me make all the ladoos. Here you go. So quick and easy recipe. As you have seen, I have made 26 ladoos of this shape in 2 cups of coconut and half a cup of halim seeds. So as you can see, they look so gorgeous, so moist and so soft. You can eat a couple of them if you want, especially in winter season. They are very healthy and nutritious. So I hope you like this recipe of Halim Ladoo, and I hope you make it. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and share your comments in the comment section below. I love to read your comments. Of course, if you're not subscribed yet and this is your first time here, try to look at my other recipes and try to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.